Don't look me in the eye, say you did no wrong. Don't need to compromise. Tomorrow I'll be gone. Don't get on my way. Step aside, you don't remember times change. I don't need you anymore. No way, no why. I don't need you around. So mind your man, just mind your manners now. 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 Just mind your I close my eyes and I pretend I'll slip away and I am next to her. If for a moment I will rest assured. Across the miles she seems so far, but in my mind I feel her.
Hello guys. Okay, maybe the music is too loud. Put a little. So I will go through what happened today in the market in the pair that I watch. Just let me also go to Discord to share the screen. Не. Не, в ряд, чому саме ж? 2 євро ми сандай. Okay, sorry for the delay. Let's go through some stuff. Let's start with Euro USD. The expectation for today was a pullback and continuation up to meet an order block to go then down. There was more or less a lousy day to trade, not much movement. There was this pullback from the start of the London session to go within this order block here. Didn't even go to the 50%. Then the price went up to that 4-hour order block here. The refined order block is on the 1 hour up here, so I am expecting the price to reach this level to short then. If you just look on the daily candles, there is liquidity obviously below the lows here and above all these highs here, so I expect another bullish day for Euro USD to take some liquidity from the upside to then go lower. What we have left on the daily is still this imbalance from this week to this week. So there is still imbalance here. That could be the price could go for it. Then if we look on the lower time frames, the imbalance is above these highs, and this would be the last buy candle that in reality sponsored the move that broke this low, so that broke structure. So at the end of the day, if you look on the 4-hour order blocks, this is the one to look for to move the price lower if these highs are taken out. That's it. GBP USD. Okay, sorry for the delay. Discord again. Is doing thing. More or less consolidation, and the daily candle closed in positive. We hit almost 50% of the last pullback, so the prediction was from this 50%, which is in line also with on 1-hour order block to go lower. We did enter, the price did enter the order block, but it didn't reach 50% of it. So maybe tomorrow or tonight we will have run up to this order block before the move down. This is the, in my opinion, the most likely thing to happen. So this trade idea is still valid. Australian dollar USD. Well, we breached this order block, so no trade from this one. This 4-hour drop, base drop, the base could be deleted. We formed, no, we not formed, not, we didn't form nothing for yet, just yet here. So this is the next level, the drop, base drop here. But the real level to watch would be or this 2-hour order block. I think it's a 2-hour order block here, so the last buy before the sell off, or this entire daily order block up here. It's also the last buy to sell, which could be mitigated. It's also 50% roughly of this pullback slash the consolidation zone here. On the downside, there is this. It's not a daily, it's a weekly, I think. Yes, this last weekly sell to buy, which was mitigated, but not entirely. So overall, if we look the trade from the 4-hour perspective, let's put the chart on the 2-hour. At the end, could be something like this. Where are my tools? Here. But to not overcomplicate, just wait the price to enter or this 2-hour buy to sell candle or the entire daily zone here. Okay, let's go further with the USD JPY, USD Japanese yen. Okay, these are all fresh markings. The price is making overall lower highs and higher lows, so it's consolidating, it's narrowing, well, the overall flow of orders for now, for me is still bearish. We are trying to make it. We went from a lower low to a higher high here, so it could be or like of reaccumulation or a redistribution, or accumulation or a redistribution. So after all, we could even see a sign of weakness to then make a test of this UTAT, or just ranging in the zone. There's this daily order block here below, and yeah, I think it's no 4-hour. Yes, this is a 4-hour order block here, and the last sell to buy, and this, I think it's an 8-hour order block here, the last buy to sell, which is not mitigated. Either way, I will not trade because it's not clear. The direction is not clear. Okay, so we are having, let's see how the daily finished. A lot of indecision. This base drop, so the base order block on the daily was met, fulfilled. Now the price could go lower from this zone where it is now, or clear more imbalance, and yes, more imbalance on the daily above, clear liquidity from these highs. So today's high and these two highs, and to clear imbalance left all over here. the trade that was announced was this buy from these lows here after fulfilling 50% of the 4 hour. The block from here, it was a nice trade. I didn't catch it because I had on Saturday slightly too much beer and was not in the mood to trade on Monday. Okay, so indecision, this is not valid anymore, and let's go take a look for tomorrow what could be done. I was expecting the price to get even to this last buy candle or 50% of this 2 hour order block here. So the buy that took liquidity before the sell. Now the mitigation of this block, maybe the 50% of would be more correct, like if the price will get to that level. Like this. If you are starting to get this high or this high run by the bulls, then more bullish action to fulfill imbalance or go even higher. So unmitigated block left, let's say on the 4 hour, that sponsored the move that broke these lows was most probably this one here. Yeah, 50% still open. Euro New Zealand, I don't trade it much, but on a daily we've breached and taken out all the liquidity from these highs here. So high, lower, high, lower, high, lower. That's a lot of consolidation, a bull move into this last buy to sell that broke structure, or even this was the buy to sell, but it was already run. So this daily order block was the next one. This daily here was the next one, and it holds well. And other than that, lately I don't trade much Euro New Zealand. Yes, but we have left this imbalance on the 4 hour here, and we most probably could find an order block on the 8 hours. Sorry. Not that. No. No. Okay. This should be the last sell to buy, so or half of the imbalance on the 4 hour left open here. Sorry, from this week to this week. So this is the imbalance on the 4 hour left open from this week to this week, and this is the 8 hour last sell to buy. So these are the two zones that could be good to go long. USD CAT, I'm on a demo trade on this one. As you can see, some 55 pips in profit. My take profit is few pips above the daily zone, the last daily sell to buy, the candle here. Okay. And this is also my next buy zone. There is still a lot of liquidity. The structure is obviously bullish now, and there is a lot of liquidity left above this highs. So I expect the price to go even higher. And that would be no BTC left. There's BTC left to look at. Finance, okay, it's okay. No.